How to get the dark mode on LinkedIn app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get the dark mode on LinkedIn app easy and quickly. So first thing we do is we go to LinkedIn. As you can see, this is the home page. Now we click here in top on your profile picture. After that you click on settings here, and now you click on account preferences, and you will find the dark mode here. As you can see, now we click on it and choose dark mode, and that's it. As you can see, everything is dark now, every single thing on this app. So that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. I hope it was helpful, and thank you for watching till the end.